My name is Sarah Rodriguez. I've been doing makeup for a little over 10 years. I'm a beauty makeup artist by training. I started getting into effect stuff maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and I just love it. I love Halloween. I love horror movies. So this is a zombie prosthetic from Boneyard Effects. What I've done here is pre-painted it and tried to tack down some of the edges with Bondo just so we get a really smooth seam. Beauty makeup is totally different, but you're still doing the same kind of color theory. You're trying to bring out certain highlights and contours and face shapes. Like with the zombie, you want to do more of like the protruding cheekbones. So with like beauty makeup, you know, you want to be aware of your contouring. So I mean, in that way it's similar, but it's different products, different, it's different. It's a different animal. Get something at the Halloween store and play around with it. Namies and Nigels are really good to pick up professional products if you want to, you know, start playing around with that. If you mess up, you can always fix it. You can always let it be a happy accident. Like the zombie could turn into a demon, the cat could turn into a bunny. Just, you know, just be creative and have fun with it.
An entire set, like an entire wedding set if somebody wanted it. And then we put the designs on, and then you have to fire them in the kiln at a very specific slow.
My name is Francis T, and I'm the main artist for Tino Evil. The company started with me and my brother. I wanted an outlet for my art, so me and my brother got together and we decided, hey, you know what, a shirt might be a good way for people to be exposed to my art. And ever since, we've been focusing a lot on the zombie genre, and but we've also done different, the name is Tino Evil, so we do like other villains and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the core of the concept. The villains, yeah, zombies, villains, and stuff like that, yeah.
My name is Franco Tay. I'm with Tino Evil, and it's run along with my brother. So what I do is I do the concept art and pretty much help them sell it. So pretty much we do everything together. We watch the shows, the movies, and we try to think what would make a good shirt.
Norman Reedus actually bought one.
Yeah, he actually bought two of the same shirts about 2.5 weeks ago, and then he posted it on his Instagram, which was really cool. He got like 100,000 likes, so we were really grateful for that.
No, I'm saying a lot of people buy that.